Hey everybody, it's Larry. I'm up here at the new Oakville High School for the Halton District School Board. I want to show you my new toy. This new drone is called the DJI Neo 2, and it has hand gestures. Left, I want to go to the right. All done by hand. I want to go up. I want to go down. So how cool is that? Now we have 360 obstacle avoidance it's supposed to be. So we're going to have a test here and go through the school. Follow me. We're coming into the cafeteria. And to the right over here, we have the office. And we got metal studs in there. So this is going to be a good test. See if I can get through the metal studs. Got electricians over here. Are they working? Are you working? Oh yeah, sorry. They're not electricians. Okay, we're going to come in here through the metal stud. Let's see what we got here. See if it's going to follow me. And these are the new offices. So I'm going to make a right turn here. This will be a good test. Yeah, to pick me up? No, it's trying to pick me. Oh, look at that. It came through the door. Oh, my goodness. This thing comes through the studs, trying to work its way around to get me. So let's see what happens. Look at that. It came through the studs. Modern technology. So anyway, this is a great tool for construction to show progress. I can walk through, and the little guy goes through studs. Good goodness. Okay, let's go to the gym. Go through this door. Anyway, this new DJI Neo 2 is very, very high tech. Now let's see if I can get through here. It's going to be a test. See if I can get through this door. Oh, he lost me. He lost me. Okay, let's go try this one. Maybe go up the stairs. If we have stairs. I don't know where he is. Come on, buddy. Come on. I'm up here. Look at that. Come through the stairs. Now we're going up the stairs. Man, I'm going to turn right, see if it comes with me. Look at that.